Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to check and manage Quick Assist permissions on Windows 11. First, open the Windows settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings. Now, click Privacy and Security from the left side. Here, you can review different privacy and app permission settings available in Windows. However, Quick Assist does not provide a separate list of permissions like some other apps. So to check the available Quick Assist settings, go back to the main settings page. Now click Apps. Next, select Installed Apps. In the search box, type Quick Assist. Find Quick Assist in the list. Click the three dots next to Quick Assist and select Advanced Options. Here, you can review the settings available for Quick Assist. If you see the Background Apps Permissions option, you can use it to control whether the app is allowed to run in the background. Select the option that you prefer. You can also check the Terminate, Repair, and Reset options on this page. Remember, Terminate simply closes the application. Repair attempts to fix the application without removing its data. Reset restores the application to its default state and can remove its saved app data. These options are useful if Quick Assist is not working correctly, but they are not permission settings. After checking the available options, open Quick Assist again and test the application. If Quick Assist requires access to features such as your screen or remote assistance, Windows may show a permission or confirmation message when you use the feature. Always review these messages carefully before allowing access, and that's it. Now you know where to check Quick Assist settings and how to manage the available app permissions and options in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials.